So, hello everybody. I hope you're fine. I hope you're okay. I hope everything is good with you at your end. I am fine as well. So, I wanted to teach you guys, this look. What this look is? It's a graphic liner look, and this is my take on graphic liners and how to apply it on the hooded eyes. As you can see, my eyes are super duper hooded, and graphic liners are not made for us because it goes all the way up to your brow bone. So I wanted to create a look that can be done, or maybe a hooded eyes friendly look that can give you some room for creativity and make your graphic liner popped out. So if you like it, watch the video from the start till the end. I will show you this makeup look along with some very informative tips. Have the appearance of a guest in this video. He's a very cute guest, by the way. Keep watching the video. I will meet you after this short intro. Let's get it started. So I have already applied the moisturizer over my face. I'm going to apply the primer right now, the waterproof primer, so that my makeup can last. I'm going to link down all the products that I'm going to use in the description. I'm not going to talk about them, so they will be listed in the description box so that you will know. Yeah, so just watch. This video is all about the trick, not about details and stuff. So once the primer is adjusted, I am going to apply some concealer under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose. So that much is it, I guess. This step is very helpful for those who have very dark circles, very prominent dark circles. This way you can fill those dark circles out before applying your foundation. So he wanted to be a part of this video and he has no idea what's been going on, but he still wanted to be a part of it. So here he is. Please show your face, you big-eyed man. Anyways, okay, just same. Okay, once this is done, I am going to apply my foundation. Can you believe I haven't applied any makeup in the last few weeks? Completely makeup free. So just blend it all out. Now my mothers can understand my struggle. Having a child on your lap while you're doing the makeup. Classic mother stuff, So yeah, pretty much done. Okay, so this part is done. आज मैं मेकअप कर लूँ? मेकअप कर लूँ? हाँ, मुझे मेकअप करने नहीं दे रहे हो. अच्छा. For this makeup look, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. हाँ, बता दो कौन सा वाला? Which one? Okay. हाथ नहीं मारना. So I'm gonna use this shade over here. It's a very skin colored shade. यहाँ यहाँ करो ऐसे. Nice. He knows what he's talking about. So now I'm going to use this color over here. I'm just gonna apply it on my eyelids. So our focus is the outer corner, not the inner corner, because just apply this shiny eyeshadow at the inner corner of your eyes over here. Myself, and I'm going to use this shade over here. At this moment I'm just going to blend everything out. This one? So as you can see, I have blended out all of the makeup, all of the hard edges of my makeup with this mustard shade. Trust me, it might look weird at this moment, but once I will apply the eyeliner, the graphic eyeliner, it will all just come together, you know, the whole look. So in order to define up your crease, you need to go in a straight line, as I always say. Always blend in a straight line when you have hooded eyes. This shadow over here at the inner corners of my eyes, so that it can, you know, pop out a little bit. You can see the difference in this eye and in this eye. This one's a little bit more brighter. I'm going to do the same at this eye. So whenever you're applying a shimmery shade, make sure you use your fingers for that, because the shimmery shades are always more prominent when you apply it with your fingers. So now, in order to make it a bit more better transitioning, I'm going to add a transitioning color in the middle so that it doesn't look awkward. So for this, I am going to be using this shade over here. Has two types of tips, one a bit thicker and one very precise, and the precise tip will be used for making the graphic line, you know, with the normal eyeliner. so that it looks a little bit blended. I just don't like hard edges, you know. And do the same this side. And yeah, this is how you can do your graphic eyeliner, as you know, with hooded eyes. I am going to quickly straighten up my hair and then I'll be back with the finished look. But this is how the makeup looks. So this is my final look. I hope you liked it, because I like it. And these are my straighten out hair. How did I straighten up my hair? I am going to tell you guys in the next video. But this is how I got ready, and this is my take on the graphic liner. I know it's not too graphic, even though the name suggests that it is graphic, but this is my take over it. So if you like the video, watch the video from start till the end, and like it, subscribe it, comment it down, anything that you want. And I think I'm gonna meet you in my next video. Anyways, thank you so much for sticking up with me. Bye guys.